Hello everybody, how are you? This is Karthik Bhuvan. I'm a leadership coach, author and travel explorer. Another amazing series of conversing while I'm driving. Is it important to prove yourself to somebody? And why is there a serious urge to prove yourself to somebody? Constantly you look at your life. Always, whatever you're done, you want to show it to others. Suppose you got very good marks, you want to show it to the world. Suppose somebody has given you a nice praise, you want to show it to the world. You bought a nice car, you want to show it to the world. Karthik, wait a minute. Aren't you also showing up? I'll get there. My reasons are completely different. When Bill Gates shows up his wealth, it is completely different. You think Bill Gates does not show up? Warren Buffett doesn't show up? What are these stock exchanges? And what are these newspapers that report? They are nothing but they are promoters of these kinds of people. Of course, they have their own benefits which are associated with it, which I will keep it for another video altogether. Similarly, when I am giving a projection, I'm giving a projection because nobody wants to talk to any life coach who is traveling in a cycle. People want to talk to a life coach who has a BMW, a nice model, Mercedes. When I post in my Mercedes, when I travel in my BMW, I have not struggled to get all of these things, but I realize when I'm projecting, people somewhere related with success. No matter what you say, there's a deep level of conditioning, and this is something which I'm sharing in this video, which you can avoid. You can avoid this trap. And that is where these are called heartful conversations, because when I'm sharing these things with you in one way or the other, I am also in many ways taking the risk of losing my business, because I am eliminating those patterns inside you for your own good, for your own well-being, at the cost of some money. You may be impressed if I'm traveling in a vehicle like this, and you may be interested in buying my product, but in these conversations, in this space, I am more interested in sharing the truth with a lot of people, because it is giving me a different kind of kick. Of course, I'm not doing it for you, I'm doing it for myself. And anything that I do it for myself, as long as it's making me feel great, as long as it's making me feel fantastic, it's absolutely brilliant. Because here, the expectation is completely eliminated. I do not expect anything from you. I do not expect anything from anybody. And when I am not expecting anything from anyone, there is a deep sense of well-being, a deep sense of joy, a deep sense of connectedness, which is largely established. And that is precisely what I feel that we essentially need and require in today's world. And when we do that, we empower ourselves big time. We engage ourselves big time. And we are phenomenally motivated towards creating a life which really creates true sense of well-being. So one thing is the desire and the need for a large variety of people. It's not the business, it's just show off. Why do you need to show off? Because a sense of significance is associated with it. You feel somewhere significant. And that is why you have this kind of, process, or you have this kind of a latent, deep urge in you to show off to people. Because there you are in a position to experience a kind of significance which makes you feel good, because there is a chemical from the brain which is released called as serotonin. And because of serotonin, you feel good, and this is associated with the feeling of significance, and therefore you feel great, you feel vibrant, you feel awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, be free from this trap and associate yourself to feel significant, because you're alive, you're breathing, you're smiling, you're joyful. If this does not form a neural pathway of significance, you will not be able to release serotonin levels inside your body. And when you don't release, the brain does not release this chemical, which is also important for you, for a human species. Because as human beings, if you just survive, if you just eat, it is not enough. Somewhere you need certain kinds of factors through which you can feel a sense of significance within. And when you give away this possibility and give away this freedom of experiencing the self-stimulation of serotonin levels, by doing and indulging in activity, you have to struggle, because the world will recognize you when you fit into their model of success. Otherwise, it is not going to recognize you, including your family members. So you have to get into a self-stimulation. Another reason this has happened, because you are seeking constant validation, is because the world around you is also operating in that way. What is your world? Your world is the axis of your projectional five senses, which is perceiving information constantly. The moment what you see, what you smell, what you touch, what you hear, what you feel, and your exposure to the world, whatever you are exposed to, that is your world. Somewhere something is happening. Let's say now there is a small Cold War which has been happening for a very long time. I won't call it a small Cold War, between Palestine and Jerusalem, Palestine and Israel. Right now it is happening. That is not your living reality. That is not your living reality. Is that your living reality? No, that is not your living reality. But somewhere, if there is a war happening, or let's say including even maybe neighbors are fighting, physically fighting, let's leave about war, physically fighting with one another, abusing, even orally abusing, it impacts you, it impacts your life. So your world is operating in a specific way, that is, it's only rewarding you, and it is going to give you some level of significance and respect only when you achieve what the larger society projects. Because the smaller society imbibes what the larger society projects, and the larger society is influenced by certain forces, which I will share in another video altogether. So be free from these kinds of traps. Allow life to find its own significance levels, and may you know the true blossoming experience of life. Have a great day. This is Karthik Poovan. I'm a leadership coach, author, and travel explorer, and I will see you in another amazing driving conversation. Have a great day.